He's been a total blast to work with, actually. It's so great, you know, you never know when you meet somebody, and someone who's clearly as passionate as you are about doing what you love. You clearly bring a vision. And it's hard, you know, not knowing what to expect as a designer, because we also have visions, and we also have, you know, our homeowners to think about, and what that's going to look like for someone living in a space, you know, for many years. And no, overall, you've been a total blast. It's been fun. I feel like the energy's there.
It's good.
Yeah. I'm glad you're not a nightmare.
We haven't had like a single arm wrestle.
No.
No fist fights.
Yeah.
It's been rainbows and unicorns.
And really great shoes.